Hey, what's going on today, guys? It's HVAC Certified once again coming to you with a quick little tutorial to show you 4 videos I have combined with schematics I have created. Without any further ado, stay tuned as I begin the process. What we're going to want to do now is plug up our indoor and outdoor unit, fan motor, our heating element. Then we're going to check all our wiring to make sure all our connections are tight. Then we plug our cord into the electrical source and check all components to make sure it is functioning accurately. Last and final step in the process. So what we're going to want to do now is hook up our indoor and outdoor fan. Then we're going to plug our cord into the electrical source to check all components. Put back in the disconnect. We switch our thermostat to fan to make sure our indoor fan motor is functioning correctly. What we're going to want to do now is switch the thermostat to auto, and on the second button push it to the downward position so we can test the outdoor unit fan motor to make sure it is functioning correctly. So what happens? 220 volts pass through a 24 volts transformer, which has the primary and the secondary, and it sends 24 volts to your thermostat and also your contactor. When the 24 volts reaches the contactor, it causes it to engage and allow 240 volts to pass through it and supply power to the compressor. So what we're going to do now is turn on the thermostat to make sure everything is working and functioning accurately. What we are going to do now, once we are finished testing our air conditioning, we will switch the thermostat to the heating side to make sure the element and the rest of the components is working and functioning correctly. Thanks for watching.